This is a resolution commending and congratulating Christian Jay Balboa for being the Topnotcher in the May 2023 Chemical Engineers Licensure Examination. Whereas Christian Jay Balboa, born on April 6, 1997, is the son of Luisa Pagunuran and Cezar Balboa from Barangay Abaca, Enrique, Iloilo. Whereas Christian Jay Balboa is a chemical engineering graduate at Salle University, Manila, Philippines. Whereas in May 2023, the Professional Regulation Commission conducted the Chemical Engineers Licensure Examination. Whereas Christian Jay Balboa ranked top 1 with a rating of 92.60% in the 2023 Chemical Engineers Licensure Examination. Whereas the accomplishment of Christian Jay Balboa deserves recognition for bringing pride and honor to the province of Iloilo. Now therefore, motion of the Honorable be it resolved as it hereby resolved to commend and congratulate Christian Jay Balboa of San Enrique, Iloilo on his recent achievement as a top-notcher in 2023 Chemical Engineers Licensure Examination. Resolved further to furnish copies of this resolution to Christian Jay Balboa of Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo for his information and reference. And this is also co-sponsored by Board Member Domingos and Board Member Rolly Distora.
Thank you. I so moved, Your Honor.
So moved. Any second? Unanimously seconded. The said
Thank you.
motion is hereby approved.